Hey lawyers, this video is why bad sound can kill your videos. That statement was a no-brainer. We've all seen YouTube videos where the person shoots without a lavalier mic or a boom mic, and they sound like there's too much reverb or static. This tip video consists of 4 juicy video audio tips. But what about shooting outside in the wind? In one of our recent shoots, we had a very windy outdoor shoot. Action!
Yeah, Mike, we're on vacation, so working.
I can't believe I got denied on this disability claim.
Yeah, but it's the government.
Here's my first tip. Tip 1 is that iPhone audio is great if you have the iPhone about 7 inches from your mouth and you don't pop the air into the mic. Tip 2, always use headphones. You can't know if there's interference in the mics or what you're getting if you're not listening. Tip 3, get the voiceovers before anyone leaves the set. In my last outdoor windy shoot, I expected the actors to be able to get me their voiceovers later, and no one responded to me, and luckily I had enough good audio from the shoot to make it all work. But I will never shoot outdoors again without getting my voiceovers on set before the actors leave the scene. And tip number 4 is to shoot Foley. This is having the sound of the space that you're shooting in. And you want to shoot that sound through the microphones and the cameras that you're actually using for the final video. So if you have a 30-second video, make sure nobody's talking, you've got the mics and the cameras set up, and you just turn them on and let it run for at least 30 seconds. And then you can blend that in later when you're editing audio parts. So here's my 4-tip recap. iPhone is great for voiceovers. Use your headphones. Get voiceovers before it's a wrap. Get sound of the space through the microphones and cameras that you're going to be using on set for your sound. And don't have motorcycles driving by in the background. Do you want to understand how law firm marketing strategy works so that you can get a boatload of clients yourself? I have a free mini course about how to get clients with Facebook, Instagram ads. And I call it a mini course, but it's really an in-depth look at my top strategies. Pop your email in and go deep into practice area strategy, video strategy, and save money by finding out why Facebook will deny lawyer ads so that you don't waste your time and money on productions that don't actually work. Join me now in my free mini course by putting in your email, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.